exercise. To start walking, I want to practice what we call the pose in two. Two is this side step. Two, and we pause here. And then we will go to 3, tango, close, which we do straight. Now, the other side of the equation. 2, pause. 3, tango, close. Again, to the other side. 2, pause. Stop there, rest, breathe. 3, tango, close. And now the other side. 2, pause. 3, tango, close. Normally, the follower will always do an embellishment. I am doing this in a minimalist style. Later, we will put embellishment. But the leader doesn't have to do an embellishment. Again, 2, pause. 3, tango, close. 2, pause. 3, tango, close. One more time. 2, pause. 3, and tango, close. Again, 2, pause. 3, and tango, close. Good. Now we will work with our partners that make that emphasis in the post in 2. And we can go through the line of dance. 2, pause. 3, and tango, close. You can do change of weight. 2, pause. 3, and tango, close. And you can open the game, like do 1, 2. Practice that pose in 2. 3, and tango, close. Change weight. 2, the pose. 3, and tango, close. That will be the exercise, the walking exercise we do today.